Hello everyone! For now and today we are going to create this template that I create I think for one of my classes, and as you can see it looks like this. It's about digital twins and it's very amazing as you can see. Okay, let's see how we can create something like this. Let's go and create and improve it. At first let's format background to white and apply to all. Okay, some of you may ask the beautiful and interesting thing about this PowerPoint is its pictures. I accept that and approve your point, but the most important thing about this is that I create these pictures by AI and it's really easy to create them. If you like, tell me, I will give you some advice on how create these pictures. Okay, let's go. First, we copy and paste our pictures. Okay, we have the picture. After that, let's copy this text, paste it here. It's a text without effect. And after that, we just have to put first and second, and after that, third. It's like the last PowerPoint I created, if you watch it, last template, but we are going to create this. Okay, at first we need to make these lines in the same row. Let's try to make them in the same row. We'll click on the texts by pressing Ctrl and align them in the center. Okay, they are in the center. After that, we go here and align them center and we push them here. Okay, it's good. Now we need to make the distance good. Before that, let me put it higher and put this tree a little more down. Okay, let me create the distance. The distance has been created, the great distance. Let me click on them, make them. Okay, now we need to make this text to look amazing. Before that, let's make our background to black and apply to all. No, you must ask, all the text has been disabled. We say, okay, Ctrl A and make the text white for seeing them better. Some of you may ask, we have some differences in the colors. How to fix it? It's easy. We go here, eyedrop, here, apply to all. And now the difference is very, very low and it can't be seen. Okay, after that, we need to make our digital twins text look amazing. We go here, increase the size, change the font to, no, this font, no, Lilaudi, it's a good font. Let me make it in the center. It's good here. We chose it, go to text options, we shape format, we gave it an amazing format. After that, we go to text color, make it gradient, linear, choose this color to red and here to green, and here we choose these two our text happen. Now let's choose the colors. For the first part we choose yellow, second part red and a little yellow here and a little green in the end. Now you can see the text is looking amazing, but As the signature of the work, we are going to make some outline for it with the solid color to look like this. Okay, after that, let's go and try to fix these three. We go to shapes, use this shape, rectangle, put it here, here, and here. I think let me just take these three a little here because they are making my calculation wrongs. Now we put this here and this here. That's good. Okay, I think they are in the same line. After that, we click on them and send them to back. Put our first here. Put our third here. That's good. Put our second here. Let me just align our third too. Okay, let's choose the text, make them bigger and make them black. Now let's align them in the shapes. Okay, they are aligned. Let's choose the backgrounds and change the colors. Let's choose shape outline to none. This shape must be something like this. This something like this. This something like this. Let's make this white. This white. This white. Okay. Now copy paste. Here we just put this down and make this thing black. Copy. Put this down and make this thing black. Copy. Put this thing down and make this thing black. Now choose the morph transition. Okay, let's go and copy this side to here too. This nothing has to do, this is just a text and a picture. Okay, let's delete them, delete the past files. Now run it. It's a great animation, as you can see. It's nice to see, and it also gives a little shadow of the text. I like it. This is the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day, everyone.